flush to all door in the cabinet system becomes a global solutions development. The main pain point is that assembling difficulty. So today I'm going to show you this system is to solve 3 pain points. One is efficiency, the second is modular, the third is no dust. This flush all door system we are created in 8 hours. All the system we pre-assembled in factory. And here we use our invisible door, and you can see that the joint line is just, this is my RD card, and can you see that this is like the joint width is very narrow. And this is our invisible door system, which is into the dressing area. And from here to here, because we are entered to the dressing area, so here we design our pocket door. So here is looks very simple, but you can see that it's a same color system. It looks very elegant. Our idea is to create one series of collections of flush to all door and cabinet products, and also modular closed system. So please follow me. We're going to share more videos about this system. So see you next time. Thank you.